Hello everyone, what's happening? Yes, you have a great weekend. Today in the daily newspaper. Oh, I bumped the camera. Excuse me, apologies. In today's newspaper on a Monday, August the 24th, 2020, we have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku in this case. There are also extra Sudokus in this newspaper. In the additional we have, I believe, 5 or 6. I do not know it exactly. But this Sudoku Medium, this will be number 1396. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers so you can compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars in the additional with extra Sudokus. The 1 star has 27 printed numbers, the 4 stars 24. I think this Sudoku Medium maybe has 26. I do not know. Let me see. We have here 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 4 is 15 plus 3 is 18 plus 3 is 21 plus 3 is 24 plus 3 is 27. So it's a 1 star Sudoku. So you have an indication of the difficulty level, but it's not only the printed numbers or digits. The difficulty level depends also how many pairs there are in the Sudoku. So if you have a lot of pairs in the Sudoku, it will be more difficult than another Sudoku with less numbers. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number shall I pick. We have all right, interesting. Yeah, interesting. I'm scanning the whole puzzle, so yeah, which number shall I pick? That's the strategy. All right. All right. Let me see. Yeah. We have a 6 in this last row, a 6 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. In the last column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. There are 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then Ay, 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 ay. Alright. The 9, the 1, and the 3. Yes. 3 missing numbers in the last column. The 1, the 3, and the 9. We see here the 3 and the 9 in this middle row, so no 3 and the 9 in that box. 1 digit left should be the 1. The 3 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright, 3. Yeah. 6, 4, 5. No. Well. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the middle column. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes. Digit number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Oh! I bumped again the camera. Apologies. Need to focus it again. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 6, 7, 9, 7. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 9 should be there. And then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now in this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So we have in this column a 3 in one of these 2 boxes. A 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. How about these two numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6? We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. The 5 goes there. Two numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark them for you. 4 and 5, it's up here. That means one digit left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in this column, the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. One digit left in this first column for the number 9. And then 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 5 should be here. Or there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the row below, the only two places for the 5 should be here. Or there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row below, above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 4. And all the 5's are used. I can see, yes, digit number 4. Then one number left in the middle column for the number 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3. No, we have an 8 here. 7. This should be the 7. Yes, 7. Alright, 7. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 8. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 9 and 7. How about these two numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8? We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One number left in this row, the last row for the number 9. One number left in this big square for the number 7. One number left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 9. How about these two numbers, 9 and 4? I cannot fill this yet. How about these two numbers in the third row for the numbers 4 and 8? No, still cannot fill this yet. One number left in this column for the number 3. 3, 3, 3. Yes, 3 is not used. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 now, so the 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are missing. 7 and 8, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 and 8. We have a 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 9 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 9. We have a 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time soon, because we have an additional with extra Sudokus. So see you later. Bye bye for now.